Indoor plants are more than just decorative elements in our homes and offices. They play a vital role in improving air quality, reducing stress, and promoting overall well-being. Many indoor plants have healing properties, helping with respiratory issues, mental clarity, relaxation, and even minor ailments. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore 10 indoor plants that contribute to healing and wellness, their benefits, and how to care for them. Number 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is known as the plant of immortality due to its numerous medicinal properties. The gel from its leaves is widely used for treating burns, wounds, and skin irritations. It has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help in healing cuts and soothing sunburns. Improves air quality by absorbing toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. Helps in digestion and detoxification when consumed as juice. Moisturizes skin and reduces acne. Requires bright, indirect sunlight. Water sparingly, allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Prefers well-draining soil. Number 2. Lavender. Healing properties. Lavender is renowned for its calming effects. It is used in aromatherapy to reduce anxiety, stress, and insomnia. The essential oil extracted from lavender has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it useful for minor burns and insect bites. Wellness benefits. Enhances sleep quality. Reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression. Promotes relaxation and mental clarity. Care tips. Needs bright, direct sunlight for at least 6 hours a day. Water moderately, allowing the soil to dry between waterings. Prefers well-draining soil with good air circulation. Number 3. Snake plant. Healing properties. The snake plant is a powerful air purifier. It removes toxins like benzene, formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene from the air. It also releases oxygen at night, making it an excellent bedroom plant for improved sleep. Wellness benefits. Enhances air quality. Reduces headaches and respiratory problems. Helps in improving focus and reducing stress. Care tips. Thrives in low to bright indirect light. Water infrequently, as it is drought tolerant. Requires well-draining soil. Number 4. Peace lily. Peace lily is one of the best plants for removing airborne toxins, including mold spores, making it beneficial for those with allergies and asthma. Improves air humidity, reducing dry skin and respiratory issues. Absorbs harmful toxins from the air. Promotes relaxation and reduces stress levels. Prefers low to medium indirect light. Water once a week, keeping the soil slightly moist. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Number 5. Chamomile. Healing properties. Chamomile is widely known for its soothing properties. The dried flowers are used to make tea that aids digestion, reduces stress, and promotes sleep. Wellness benefits. Aids in digestion and relieves stomach discomfort. Helps in reducing anxiety and insomnia. Soothes irritated skin when applied topically. Care tips. Requires bright indirect light. Water moderately, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. Prefers well-drained sandy soil. Number 6. Basil. Healing properties. Basil is a powerful herb with antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. It is used in traditional medicine to treat colds, headaches, and digestive issues. Wellness benefits. Boosts immune function. Reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Enhances cognitive function. Care tips. Needs bright, direct sunlight. Water regularly, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. Requires nutrient-rich, well-draining soil. Number 7. Rosemary. Healing properties. Rosemary is a powerful antioxidant and has antimicrobial properties. It enhances memory, reduces stress, and improves digestion. Wellness benefits. Improves concentration and memory. Reduces stress and anxiety. Supports the immune system. Care tips. Needs bright, direct sunlight. Water moderately, allowing the soil to dry between waterings. Prefers sandy, well-draining soil. Number 8. Mint. Healing properties. Mint is commonly used for digestive issues, respiratory problems, and headaches. It has cooling and anti-inflammatory effects that help with muscle pain and congestion. Wellness benefits. Aids digestion and relieves nausea. Reduces stress and mental fatigue. Supports respiratory health. Care tips. Needs bright indirect sunlight. Water regularly, keeping the soil moist. Prefers rich, well-draining soil. Number 9. Spider plant. Healing properties. Spider plants are excellent air purifiers, removing carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and other toxins. Wellness benefits. Improves indoor air quality. Reduces stress and enhances mood. Safe for pets and children. Care tips. Thrives in indirect sunlight. Water moderately, allowing the soil to dry between waterings. Prefers well-draining soil. Number 10. Jasmine. Healing properties. Jasmine has soothing effects and is often used in aromatherapy for reducing stress, anxiety, and promoting better sleep. Wellness benefits: improves sleep quality, reduces anxiety and depression, enhances cognitive function and relaxation. Care tips: require indirect light, water regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged, prefers rich, well-draining soil. Indoor plants offer numerous health benefits, from improving air quality to enhancing mental and emotional well-being. By incorporating these 10 healing plants into your living space, you can create a healthier, more serene environment. Each of these plants provides unique benefits, making them a valuable addition to any home or office. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve sleep, or boost your overall health, these plants are natural allies in your wellness journey.